Welcome to Noble Transformation Hub. This is Noble, and we are at No Artificial Intelligence series. So where we are at section like our section is embodied intelligence, where we'll go through it and we'll understand what it means. And if you have not subscribed the YouTube channel, you can go and subscribe the YouTube channel. And if you are on different platforms, so you can go and subscribe it and go to the YouTube channel, and where you will learn more and more about artificial intelligence and future skills. So also write in the comment section what you want to learn more. You have any questions, you can write in the comment section. Okay, so we'll go to embodied intelligence, what it means. Researchers from the related field of robotics, such as Rondi Brooks, rejected symbolic AI and focused on the basic engineering problem that would allow robots to move, survive, and learn from environment. They called their work by survival uh, nemes. Okay, like for example, embodied studied behavioral based on development, their work, survival, and non-symbolic point of view of the early cybernetic research in 1950. So, okay, this coincide with the development of embodied mind thesis in the related field of cognitive science. So cognitive science, it's all about like how human beings think, what is intuition, all this consciousness, all these cognitive functions which are going inside us when we are born till we die. So all these scientists, they started doing research on these things so that they can embody those mind thesis and understand cognitive science. And they started doing research on that, this idea that aspects of the body, so such as movement, perception, so how we perceive things, how we take decisions and all, how we do movement and all, so visualization are required for higher intelligence. So these are higher intelligence, such as movement, perception, visualization, all these things are higher intelligence things. So we'll go to soft computing. In next video we are going to learn soft computing. So if you have not subscribed YouTube channel, kindly subscribe YouTube channel. Also share with your friends, family, whosoever wants to learn. Spread this word. We want to add value, 10x value to your life through these skills, so that you are always updated with artificial intelligence. If you want to join Noble Transformation Hub, you can join our VIP Telegram, which is on this channel. You can go and join the channel also. Stay connected with us, and if you have any questions, you can write down in the comment section. So we'll always help you. Thank you so much. Let's go to the next section, which is soft computing. Thank you.